Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my hair routine. So I did a poll on my Instagram and I got the most votes for showing you my hair routine first. So in saying that, I'm going to run through the products that I use, the brand that I use and what I use them for, and basically how I look after my hair on a daily basis. So when it comes to like everyday washing my hair, I like to use the NAC Structure Complex shampoo and conditioner. This is a protein shampoo and it basically says rescues and repairs chemically treated, dry or damaged hair, infuses deep conditioning plant proteins and hydrating sea minerals. It gently cleanses, protecting hair from color fade, returns condition, shine and luster, leaving hair with a silky, soft, velvety feel. And I absolutely love this. This is my everyday and it actually smells like Allen's Lollies. It's ridiculous. Like what? Oh yes girl, get that. So as well as the Structure Complex shampoo and conditioner, I also like to use the Bond Enhancer from the same kind of line, and this repairs damaged hair and it's basically like a mask for your hair, and you just put it on when you're in the shower and you leave it on to 3 to 5 minutes, maybe when you're like washing your body or shaving or something like that. So it leaves your hair really soft and it just repairs any damage that your hair's gone through. It says it maximizes strength, condition and shine, and it is amazing. And yes, it smells like Allen Lollies. It's amazing. And since I have balayage, so I have blonde hair at the bottom, I really need to make sure that I'm keeping that really nice and toned and really nice and ashy rather than being really yellow. And to use that, I use my favorite products from the NAC range. I'm obsessed, and it is the Blonde Plus shampoo and conditioner. These are absolutely amazing if you have blonde hair and you need to tone it. Obviously, it's a purple shampoo and conditioner, and I use this about once a week, sometimes twice a week depending, and it just makes my hair so soft and so nice, and just like whenever I use this, my hair is immaculate. And I always use it when I like have something on at night, whether it's like an event or going out on a Saturday night and I want my hair to look nice. So I'm just obsessed with this. Alongside keeping my hair nice and ashy rather than yellow, I also like to use the NAC Platinum Blonde No Yellow shampoo, and this is quite a new release for NAC and I've used it a few times now, and oh my god, your hair is just so toned. It's so beautiful and it honestly just like changes your hair's like color. It's insane. It says it cancels strong yellow and brassy reflex in blonde hair, and it actually does. I've used this a number of times and my hair is so amazing afterwards. There's no brassy or yellow tones, and that's what you want if you have bleached hair. It really tones the hair and it gives you this like cool kind of like platinum silver look, but it doesn't look like too silver, like you don't look like you're like rocking your 80s. But it's so good and I love using this, especially when I feel like my hair is looking a bit too yellow. So sorry about the bubbles, by the way. My sister thinks it's hilarious to blow bubbles in my video. She's 25 years old, so I don't know if that tells you anything. There are also a number of shampoo and conditioners that I have used from the NAC range, which I will put in the description box below. Those ones have definitely worked for me as well, but these two are probably the ones that I use, you know, day to day or a couple of times a week. And when it comes to doing my hair straight out of the shower, I always do the same kind of routine, and you will see it. I did film it, so I'll put that in a second. But basically I go in with the Aromas oil spray that all over my hair, and then I like to go in with one of the Replens, which is a leave-in moisturizer from NAC. And I also have the purple one. So obviously if I'm using the purple shampoo and conditioner and the No Yellow shampoo, then I will use this afterwards just to like keep that going. But just on a day-to-day basis, when I'm using the Structure Complex shampoo and conditioner, I will go in with just one of the Replens ones, and there's a few different ones of this. They're amazing. They all work beautifully and they all work the same. So they work really well in my hair, and it just leaves my hair really silky and really smooth after I've had my shower and it's dried. So if you would like to see how I actually do my hair after the shower, then keep on watching for the clip after this. So the first thing I like to do when my hair is damp is take the Aromas oil spray, and I spray my whole hair with this, focusing more on the ends of my hair. So just gonna spray. Why does this always happen? and I just spray my hair with it. I pretty much cover my hair in this. I'm obsessed with it. Now that I've sprayed my hair with the oil spray, I like to just run my fingers through my hair and just make sure it's like evenly distributed. Next, I like to take my NAC Replens Leave-In Moisturizer, and I just take a bit of a pea-sized amount of this, about that much, and then I just warm it up in my hands, and then I distribute it around the ends of my hair and just make sure it gets everywhere because that's important. And then if I have anything left over, I just run it through the top of my hair as well. Now that that's all in, I like to then brush my hair, and I just brush it kind of into the style that I want it. So this is just one of those like Tangle Teezer brushes. Because it's currently summer here in Australia, I have been air drying my hair over blow drying it unless I have an event or if it's like a little bit of a more like chilly night, but I've really been enjoying that. Otherwise I will just blow dry it kind of in the same way that it is now. There's nothing too fancy about blow drying. I'm sure you know how to blow dry your hair. I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I do my hair and my hair routine and the products that I use every week on a day-to-day basis and why I love them so much. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe and please thumbs up this video if you liked it. Please go check out NAC. They're an amazing company. They're Australian owned, they're Australian made, they're local to Brisbane, and I absolutely love them. The people behind them really know what they're talking about. They know hair, and honestly, they're an amazing company. Thank you so much to Daryl, Kylie, and Kai-Ann for always being amazing to me when I go in. Also, just letting you know, I'm not being paid to say this. I do get my hair done at NAC, and I do receive product from them, but this isn't a paid video. I just really love the products that I use. I really love how my hair looks and how it feels using these products, and I wouldn't like tell you to go buy something or to go use something if I actually didn't love it myself, because I'm not a fake bitch. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my hair routine video. I will put all the products that I spoke about in the description bar below, as well as the other products that I use every now and then but I haven't put in this video. So go look down below for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.